We are in the Snoqualmie Library building in the MakerSpace. This is a collaborative art and creative space for students, staff, and faculty alike. The MakerSpace is host to a number of things that students might not otherwise have access to. We have 3D printers, 3 of them in fact, 6 sewing machines, a laser cutter, all sorts of needlecraft supplies and tools, and a tool library that we check out tools for. The mission of the MakerSpace is to provide access for everyone to a multitude of diverse tools and pathways for making, whether it's for hobby or for school. Every week we have programming, everything from Arduino Uno programming to miniature painting to sewing, you name it. If it can be done in this space, then we probably have programming around it, or will have programming around it in the near future. Some of the coolest things about the MakerSpace, I feel, are like the emergent relationships that I've seen come out of this space between students that just work cooperatively together just through happenstance of having similar hobbies and interests. I'm a people person, and so I love building community, and seeing that happen in this space through making, which is another one of my passions, is excellent. It takes very little to get started with making. It can be less than 5 minutes to start printing something on a 3D printer. You can learn to crochet in less than a day. And so I would urge people to just give it a try. It's here, and we're open. And if you have the time, you might discover something new.